وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Those who disbelieve among the people of the Scripture and the polytheists were not apart until the clear evidence came to them. A messenger from Allah reciting purified scriptures, containing valuable writings. Those who were given the scripture did not splinter, until after the clear evidence came to them. They were only commanded to worship Allah, devoting their faith to Him alone, and to practice regular prayer, and to give the purifying charity, that is the upright religion. Those who disbelieve among the people of the Scripture and the polytheists will be in the fire of hell, remaining in it forever. These are the worst of creatures. As for those who believe and do good works, these are the best of creatures. Their reward is with their Lord, gardens of Eden beneath which rivers flow, remaining in them forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. That is for whoever fears his Lord.